So I'm moving out of my Airbnb. This is the last of my stuff that I have to take down. This is my little Airbnb that I had. Don't mind the big load of laundry on the bed. That's where they said to place it. But yeah, this is where I was living till I go into my new apartment. It wasn't bad at all. It's cute. All right. Hi you guys, I am on my way to the gym, but this long-awaited video I've been telling you guys since I moved in here, which was 6 months ago, that I was going to film my apartment tour, is today. You're going to finally get to see my apartment. There's still some things that I would like to fix, and I really do like my apartment. I'm not going to show you the outside too much because I don't want to give away where I live, but it's a blue building. So when you walk into my house, this is everything you see. So this would be the cat area. I have a fireplace, never use it. Have my little cute home decor, my candle. This is my bar, my shot glasses with my plants, my cups. I used to have more games. They're nowhere to be found. This is my couch. This is a cute little picture my friends gave me when I was leaving. This is the best speaker ever. It's from IKEA. Definitely invest in that. This is another little cute birthday thing. And then this is my wall. I love this wall. So up here is my candies and these little knickknacks that I have, like perfumes, pictures, candles, cup holders. This is where my jewelry is. My tabletop, I just have 2 bar stools. I didn't want to clunk up my living room with like a table or anything like that. So I just have 2 bar stools for eating purposes. This is my sink. I love the stainless steel appliances. That's something that really caught my eye. My sink, it doesn't have a divider. That was a must. Another must that I needed to have was a washer and dryer in the unit, which I have, thank God. I currently have a board that I like write stuff on. See, like what I need, paper towels and toilet paper, and then like my friend wrote it saying that they love me. I have this candle, it smells beautiful. It's from Bed Bath & Beyond. Granite countertops, gray black splash. Again, silver appliances. This is all boring to me. Another must was hardwood floors. I have cats. I did not want their hair to be caught in the carpet, so everything is hardwood floors. This is my makeup area. So that's my lighting, my mirrors, my trash can. This is where I keep all my hot tool supplies, my chair, my makeup. And then this is all my hair stuff, which I told you I don't really have many hair stuff, but the items that I do have work. I also got this from IKEA, it's $50. I got this from Amazon, $30. My lighting's from Amazon. This is from Michael's. The board is from Amazon, IKEA. Hey, kitty. And then I currently have this hole in my wall that I need to get fixed from like an accident, so. Then I come in here where it is my bathroom supply stuff, because like in my bathroom I don't have like extra, you know, cabinet space and stuff that most bathrooms do have. And I moved in not realizing, like thinking that was something that I needed. So that's on my checklist next time. But this is where I keep all like my face stuff, you know, women's stuff. It's not super cute or anything like that, but it's kind of messy. But this is where I keep that. This is where my AC control panel is. Also where my cleaning supplies are. And then this is my bathroom. I love my bathroom. It's white shower curtain. And then that's my face rag. Great lighting in here. And right across is my bedroom. I love my bedroom. I have a little cat house. This is their cat bedroom too. Look, so cute. So I have my scale here to keep track of like my dieting, my weight gain, and my muscles and everything. I have a big window literally looking on me. This is my bed. I got it from IKEA. The comforter is also from IKEA. My lighting from IKEA. Everything. IKEA. This is my little desk over here with another candle from Bath and Body Works. Love this candle. This is where I keep like my notes, and this is where I keep all my workout supplies. And then I have a walk-in closet as well that I love. Let's turn the lightings on. Outfit that I'm going out in tonight. And then all my clothes. Not to mention like my bed has drawers. So that's where I keep like all my bed clothes. And then my gym clothes. And then I always keep water next to my bed because I wake up thirsty, and lotion because sometimes my hands feel dry in the middle of the night. So that was my house tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll be back finally with a hair video. In my next video, I'm going to try to do hairstyles for braids while they're grown out. Anyway, bye you guys.